Today on Puddin'S Fab Shop, we're going to build a sheet metal bed floor in the back of this here jalopy. Well, first of all, it's dirty back here. I apologize, but that's what happens when you daily drive your stuff. To build this floor, we're going to do it out of some 1x1 square tubing, 11 gauge, and then we're going to sheet metal it with some 18 gauge. That ought to be more than enough because I don't plan on hauling rocks and shit back here. Just use it as a truck when I need it here or there. The highest point back here in the bed are these shock mounts, so we're going to go about a ½ inch above that for some clearance there, and that's about where we're going to build the floor in this thing. I plan on making the center section of it hinge up where I can get to everything, also be able to show it off at car shows. So the first thing we're going to do, get a couple measurements here, see how high we're going to come up where we can measure across, and we'll start building the outside frame and move forward from there. this is looking, guys. I didn't really have a blueprint in my head or nothing. I just kind of started building, and it's turning out good. I really like the way it's looking. I decided to tack these pieces of strap in here. That way I could build the inside frame on it, and that worked out well. Everything's nice and square, measuring out the same, so I'm pretty pumped about it. I use these plates here to set my gap around. I use 3/8 on the front and rear because we're going to end up capping the front of the tubing with a piece of 1/8" strap, so that makes up that difference. And it's turning out good. Y'all seen I was just cutting a support piece that'll go in here and back in here, so let's hop over to the table and I'll show you what those are for. So here's what those cross members are for. They're actually going to be to mount our hinges on. These hinges I built the other day. I apologize I didn't make a video out of them. They could have been a video themselves. I'm not totally in love with the overall look or design of it, but I'm going to run them because I do got a lot of time in them. So kind of see here how they're going to work. This side actually sits on the square tubing while this side cradles it, and it allows it to kick up, clear everything. They're made out of some 6" pipe. Kind of show you what's going on here. So some 6" pipe, just a little gusset, some brackets and tubing and time and everything else to make them work. But they don't look god awful. I mean, they're not hideous. Most of it's going to be tucked up underneath there the way I've got it built anyways, so you really probably won't ever see it. But this is what we're going to mount on there. So we'll get these centered in, welded in, and see if we can't get our hinges on. But actually, since I'm thinking about it, I'm probably going to have to weld this on first, measure that gap, get it right, because I'd like to be able to full weld this on the table. So I'm going to get these welded and then center them on there already attached. Let's do it. Goddamn. Gotta be careful with these good ones. This good flap disc from Benchmark. I'm used to my cheap ones from Amazon. I get started on the first weld over there. I'm just cooking on that thing, going to town like usual. Look down, half the damn frame's gone. Because I'm used to working with cheap crap. We're going live. Ugh. We're going to do two things real quick. We're going to weld up this bottom side, grind them down, and then these end pieces, I cut them out of 45. We're going to cap them with this strap here, get them welded on. We'll throw it back on, and probably be done. Well, this thing looks good. Not as good as my cousin. Well, that's it for this video. The frame turned out bitchin'. Pretty happy with it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna sheet metal it quite yet, or latch it. That'll all be in a future video. May add some bead rolls, may have to add some more support, whatever. Check out my other videos, guys. Tell family, tell friends, share the videos, subscribe. Hop over to Instagram, give me a follow on there, Puddin'S Fab Shop, and I'll see you guys in the next video.